Sku Fetch is proud to announce the launch of its Catalogue Fetch tool. Now it's easier than ever to retrieve many URLs from a search page of your supplier and send them to your listing tool of choice for processing. To access Catalogue Fetch, simply log into Sku Fetch. Click Catalogue Fetch. In another browser tab, visit one of the over 800 suppliers supported by Sku Fetch. Perform a category or keyword search and drill down to find items that you want to list. Once you have narrowed down your search to what you want it to be, copy the resulting search string URL from your browser. Go back to the tab for Sku Fetch and paste in the long search string. If you want Sku Fetch to retrieve the information so that you can process multi-variation listings, if the supplier has a variation, then check the box that says Process and List Variations. Otherwise, leave it unchecked. Next, for maximum number of products to fetch, enter the maximum number of items that you want Sku Fetch to retrieve. This is particularly helpful if you're loading a search URL that has many items in the supplier search. This will help you limit how many items Sku Fetch is going to be able to retrieve in that case. By default, the maximum is 100, but you can change this number as needed. Next, you will have the option to either send to lister now or create drafts. If you click Send to Lister Now, Sku Fetch will start retrieving the supplier information and sending it to whichever listing tool you have set in your list and export settings for batch fetch. If you click Send to Drafts, then Sku Fetch will work on retrieving the supplier information and making it available to you on the Draft List tab. There you will be able to edit each item individually before having Sku Fetch send the items to your listing tool to post. Make your selection to either send to lister now or create drafts. Please allow some time. You're asking Sku Fetch to scan search results at the supplier and retrieve information for many URLs at once, so the amount of time needed may take longer with the more items that you are requesting. You can refresh the Catalogue Fetch page to see the status of the search. Under the status column, if the search is still ongoing, the status will display active. Once the search is complete, it will change to done. If there were any errors, you'll receive a status that says error, and more details will be found in the comment column. To the right of that, you'll have the date that the search URL was processed, followed by the number of products found. Those products will then begin to populate on your item list or draft list, depending on the choice you made previously. From there, your items would either be sent to your listing tool and posted to your marketplace, or would be left on your draft list tab for you to edit. Thank you for watching.